Hello everyone, welcome to the show. Hope you guys are safe. Let's get started. Water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. We all know that very well. But is there any situation under which it may not boil even at a temperature greater than its boiling point? I would say yes. We are gonna reveal this now. All of you might have the experience of cooking in a pressure cooker. Food is cooked quickly in it. Why is it so? See what happens. The heat we supply makes the water to boil and water vapor is produced. As the lid of the cooker is closed, it doesn't find a way to escape outside. And gradually, when more and more vapor is formed, the pressure inside the cooker goes on increasing. This increase in pressure increases the boiling point of water 10 to 15 degrees centigrade further. That's why the food we cook in it gets an exposure to such kind of high temperature. The excess heat of steam is equally responsible for the short time it takes to get cooked. Let's see how the pressure cooker works. We have a pressure cooker here. It's on the gas oven. We have put all the vegetables together along with the dal. Let's give it a nice stir so that everything is mixed well. Now close the lid. We have not light the oven yet. Let's do it now. Very nice. Let's wait for the first whistle. It will take time. Let's keep it in this condition for 5 minutes more. I hope it's done. Now it's time to remove the lid and see everything is cooked or not. Oh wow, fantastic. You won't be disagree with me that it is well cooked. I have heard people often saying that chicken boils in 5 whistles, mutton boils in 8 whistles, and so on. But the number of whistles we get depends upon the amount of heat we are supplying to it. More the amount of heat we supply, more the number of whistles we get. So, if we consider chicken boils in 5 or 6 whistles, that may not be right always. The correct practice is we should notice the time it takes for a particular dish to get cooked. Suppose dal takes 10 minutes on medium flame to get cooked, then we have to keep in mind 2 things. First one is medium flame and second one is 10 minutes. So every time we prepare dal, if we do these 2 things, we will get a well cooked dal. And to add the taste to it is up to you, of course. And one thing I must mention here, don't get confused with number of whistles and the time it takes in minutes. These are 2 different criteria we are following here. Friends, now tell me, is it possible for water to stay in liquid state above its boiling point? We have got the answer so far. Yes, it is possible for water to stay in liquid state even at a greater temperature of 110 or 112 degrees centigrade. This occurs when pressure is increased substantially. Increased pressure increases the boiling point and hence water continues to stay in liquid state even it is at a temperature greater than 100 degrees centigrade. Thanks for watching another episode of the show. Hope you guys like it. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you can be notified when my latest video is out. If you have any question or suggestion, please write it to me in the comment section. I'll definitely reply to it. Thanks once again. See you guys in another episode. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Thank you.